Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. This video is going to be interesting because we will speak to ChatGPT without needing to type anything. Open the Chrome Web Store. Search for Promptheus. Open the first link and install the extension. Now, if you open ChatGPT page, you will notice on the top right, it says hold spacebar to talk and Promptheus options. Here we have some options like custom conversation and language. Basically, custom conversation will instruct ChatGPT to hold human-like conversation and send shorter answers as compared to default long answers. You can try this option if you like. I'll keep it off for now. You will also need to allow the microphone permission to the web page. To speak to ChatGPT, simply click anywhere away from the input field. Then, hold spacebar and speak your command. Make sure that you hold for some extra seconds after your command is over. Let me show you some examples. What are you doing these days? The speech detection is very accurate and it also puts punctuation marks like commas, full stop, and question mark. Let's ask something else. I want you to write an article on being AI is not impressive. Without typing a single word, we have a full-length article generated just using our voice. Let's ask it to write a Python code. Write a Python program which prints the Fibonacci series. Not bad, right? Can you tell me how far is the moon? Nice, let's ask one more question. Signs that your dog is not well. Now, I'll ask ChatGPT to thank you, my viewers, for watching and supporting this channel. Can you tell a good thank you message for my viewers on YouTube? That's a lovely message. Let me call Anna. Anna? Love? Where are you?
I'm here.
Can you read this short paragraph for our lovely viewers?
Sure. Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my videos. Your support means the world to me and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Whether you've been with me from the beginning or just stumbled upon my channel, I appreciate you taking the time to watch and engage with my content. Your comments, likes, and shares inspire me to keep creating and improving. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for being a part of my YouTube community. I can't wait to see where this journey takes us next.
Thank you so much, love.
You're welcome. Can I go now?
Yes, you may go now. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.